Tactical Thursday, time to sharpen your mind. What is going on, you beautiful guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, a little Tactical Thursday action. First, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to all who are celebrating. So today's video, we're going to talk about this magnificent bad boy. It's a Karambit Fox 479. And I'm going to show you guys how to use one of these, why you would want to use one of these, the different purposes, whatever. Because, you know, you could carve up, people like you carve up a turkey. Not that I advise it, but you can. So, Thanksgiving themed a little bit. So, first thing we're going to talk about is the finger ring. So, why do you have a finger ring in a knife? So, this is obviously so you can maneuver it, you can flick it, things like that. Let's open it up. You know, you can block. You got extended reach. So, like, I can reach further out. Things like that. So, and also it's the intimidation factor and badassness is involved. So obviously you can flick it around, whatever. There's different ways to hold a karambit. You've got your regular grip. You've got a ice pick. And you know, you can take your finger out of it as well. You can just hold it like this. But I with my bigger hands, it feels better with the 3 grooves, just to have my fingers lying there and then my finger wrap in it. So this knife also has, not only does it have the flick, it's got the thumb cut out here, so you can open it like that. It's also got this little hook thing here. So what this is this is called a Emerson Wave. So what it does is, see if I can stand up and do it. So from the pocket, catches on the clothing and opens. So with this, you can deploy your knife from your pocket with one finger. And that's why I really carry this thing on me. I love it. Again, obviously badassness effect, and you've got the intimidation factor. If you pull out a knife and you can deploy it with one finger, a little intimidating. Little intimidating, not to mention how gorgeous this knife is. I'm not sure about the knife steel, but I know it's got the G10 scales, which feel, they've got like the, I don't know if you could get the texture on camera, but it's got this like woven pattern, and this is all indented in, and it's got like this little raised bit, so you know, it catches your jeans real well and things like that. Deep pocket clip, feels real nice. The G10 scales help hold it in place in my pocket. It's beautiful. So this knife is actually made in Italy, and the co-founder or creator or co-creator, whatever, is actually Doug Marqueta from Forged in Fire. So if you guys have ever seen that, he's the one who goes, "It will kill." So that's one of the reasons why I got this knife. It is expensive at around like $150, I think, for a knife. So it's just overall, you know, it's beautiful, it's elegant. It does have exposed hardware, so you can, you know, take off the handles and replace it if you want. But you guys didn't come here for that. You guys came here for how to use it. So once it's deployed, you take it, and obviously, you know, I showed you guys you can flick it out, things like that. We're gonna drop point it. So you can hook it here, come up this way. You can flick out, slash down, come back up. But really, so this Emerson Wave feature, once you hook somebody's arm, because if anyone knows what a karambit's for, you don't catch them with the blade part because it'll slide up and down. You want to come in and hook it. It's got a hooking mechanism. So once you hook someone's wrist, and right now I'm hurting myself, it seems silly, this Emerson Wave part digs in. So it digs in the wrist, and you bring it back. Now I have full control of this hand. Obviously I already have control because it's my hand. But, so you would capture their arm, and you'd be able to have full control. You can maneuver it, whatever. So this is great for slashing, bringing out, coming down, coming up, whatever. But it's also good for the hooking mechanism. It's more of a self-defense tool than anything. Yes, it's badass. Yes, you can use it as an everyday carry like I do, but it's for self-defense, more so than not. It's a tactical knife. It's got multi-uses. I'm sure you can use the finger ring as a bottle opener and whatever, but For $150, you might as well just use the edge of a counter or something to pop that lid off. But this thing has served me so many purposes and done me so well. I just want to make a quick video for you guys showing you how to use a Karambit if you've never seen one, if you've never used one. And, you know, you can use it to carve up things. You can, just like you would carve up a pumpkin and a turkey and things like that. So it's a little festive, a little holiday-ish. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification so that way you guys can get more of me. And then on my Twitch, the first link in the description, guys, we are affiliated over there. There's a donation button now so you guys can help support the channel, support the YouTube, things like that, so we could get you better quality. For Twitch, we're working on getting, first off, a controller because mine's taking a crap. And then second off, a camera so that way I can stream and you guys can see my ugly mug with my hair down, if you guys have seen. I know you guys probably never seen me. If you know me in person, you never seen me with my hair down looking all magnificent and shit. But follow me there, drop by the stream, say hi. We're always doing something crazy over there, whether it be challenges or Minecraft, and I just die a lot. So, with that being said, thanks for tuning in for another one, and we'll see you on the next one.